Hey guys, we're back again. This is Antonio from Mr. Saw Machine. Now introducing the new Euphoria made by Babylock with the extraordinary 8-year thread system. Now, how easy it is to use this machine? Don't be afraid to cut the threads like this because you raise your pressure foot, turn your hand wheel, get your threads out, and then open these doors, push threading. This pipe will come out. I'm about to thread this machine because it's so easy. On this case, what we're gonna do? So 3 threads, white cover stitch. I just put my thread to this little hole, grab the thread, goes under here, up, down here, just right above there. I got my thread nice clean, cut, and then it's already threaded. My thread should be right there. I give it more because in that way you can see it. Now the next thing will be my needles. This machine is so convenient for those garment sewers who wants to finish this type of seams on the shirts, have a nice clean finish. Or the ones that want to have a stretchy outfits, that will be a nice machine to have to finish it out some of the seams. And the space is amazing. It gives me a lot of space. And the needle threader is one of the things, it will make your life so easy. You don't have to be guessing where is the hole in the needle. The only thing you have to do is select what needle you're doing. Like right now I'm doing the outside needle. It's already threaded. That's how easy it is. Now for me to sew on it, the only thing I have to do is grab a piece of fabric. We're gonna put something you can show the stitches. I'm gonna close this thing, close this one, and I'm ready to put. With my knee lifter, I can lower my pressure foot and then put my fabric on there. And these ones, garment sewers know what I'm talking about when we're talking about knee lifter. It will raise your pressure foot without using your hands. And it's right there. Now what we're seeing is a seam on the back side. We have a loose thread hanging in here. Don't look at that thread. That was something that went from the beginning, but it's stretchy. And you have your seam on there. I'm gonna do another one because that thread was the one from the beginning. Now, knee lifter will be awesome. If you don't want to use your knee lifter, you have a really nice lever on the front and your thread cutter on the side, and then you have your stitches there. Nice and perfect stitches. You can do a lot of different type of fabrics if you want to. Let's do this denim. Or you can switch it to have a single needle, that easy. Just take one of the needles out, cut your thread, take your thread out of the way because you don't need it. And then you can do, I'm gonna do a quilt thing. If I'm running out of thread, I just put my lever down, and then I can go like, use it like a regular sewing machine without running out of thread. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna look really nice. My straight line, curves, and my chain stitch on the back. And look the thickness of this stuff. I got 2 layers versus the bedding, and I can use it to do a chain stitch if I'm tired to running out of bobbin, like what my teacher said. That's the solution. But come over to see the Euphoria. Those garment sewers, don't forget to come and see it because that will be the solution for your pain. Come over and see us. Mr. Sew Machine online. Follow us, social media, Instagram, Facebook. We are here. Mr. Sew Machine, MSM.